Whoa! What they want to the people, you mess with them, yo. What not do? We have a song from what that's the name again? Feloni19. It's called Cramp Dem Ego official music video. People, the rest of us in full effect. I like when I notice the on the chair people. You know, me drop around 7 videos. And I like when I run up on it and support me. I like when you comment and talk to me in the comment section. You see me, I said that motivate me for the post more video. I'm gonna tell you something, I got to video them for them. You see me, because I did a video last night and when it just come out, but you know what? I say I post some video already. I'm hold on cram a little bit. Make the video more interesting. Make it song get some numbers and views and thing. So now we're gonna do people. We're gonna do that straight quick. We're going in the comment section right now. That's what I'm talking about in the comment section first. As me, I said night time. Okay, for 19, this is bad. This warm me. Yeah, I showed the wire make me know him. We never know about that until the wire start. Me not gonna lie to Uno. Alright now. Alright, come and be. Post my whatever. Alright, not only I was mentioning this song. Oh, after your 6 squash. Bumbo clock. Alright then. Thing. There's a yeah, look up here. He might get look up here. What my film might get for a new artist to have all 7. They never have that much blood clot subscribers until the war starts. So guess what? He might do it the right way. But because see what go on, I don't know what the song sound like yet. I'm inspired for to do it that way so I can react to it for the first time with Uno, Dos, Tres. You don't chop already. Hold on. Lucky. How look ladies? Look good. Alright, true. Let's share things.
Cramp Dem Ego. Johnny want close you. Get the team up 6 man a big features. King them studio. As them ear gun shot them bar run.
6 man a big features. King them studio. Me rate it. Go on.
Look how much rifle we a mess up. Look how much murder I do afoot.
Yeah.
Facts when you mention for me, girl. When the device up to fly, don't piss up me with facts. Sunset bar roadside, body palm freak for the atopic cold time. When which compound, I must see the school type.
What on there? All the artists say, they say, I can't the artist. I can't the artist. Other artists them say, Thief, Family Flow. I can't the one that talk about Thief, Family Flow. I can't him. I can't you, me G. But go on.
Bar roadside, body palm freak for the atopic cold time. When which compound, I must see the school type. Take 3 time and take 3 more time. 6. Arrive for my fire boy. Happy balloon on me bus. Forget that me back up sing a Beyonce and Rihanna. Our happiness is clash.
Hold on. We have to listen to everything when they must say Kaima this step.
More time. 6. Arrive for my fire boy. Happy balloon on me bus. Forget that me back up sing a Beyonce and Rihanna. Our happiness is clash. The fucking idiot. Go and find figure see man figure axe up in a gang. Please them a hurricane breeze them in up. Shut up eat at the lippy tree. Freak when they come.
Yeah.
Glad them start the warring and done. Sparta with that, that's why me sound so.
After the boy, them, you never talk about. You know, say, I'm like when you start about, you don't come out with the straight Spartan flow or Tamale flow. You come out with the little one style and I start that. But go on, we're not talking about that. Listen to it.
Sparta with that, that's why me sound so.
Yeah.
Even with them like kill people, you know. Them easy the bitch and you go be a democracy. thing. I claim say them wicked them all them do a cuss. Born and train for war me gun stuff. Mali, come in like if you get say you get a box. We say job one done a rip and league the job.
Yeah.
What you be want me full of shit him out a shot.
Straight. Be a piece in the face and think Mali talk about in them song people like allow me a tell. Allow me a bumbuckler tell. No dog. Somebody the bumbuckler war man. Go on still. Right John.
See you be want me full of shit him out a shot. You afraid of law, you afraid of squash. And you was afraid of sharp pussy. Crime fill him out a murderer we kill.
Yeah.
Steal them park him, kill them live on piece of this.
Yeah.
Need the man to save me, them free of Sparta link.
Yeah.
See him lift your bomb and figure sink them like a shit. Bring a van down when I'm wrestling with man. Catch him with the 6 pence, then I done a militant. Mirror spread bread, tired for sit them dead. I come up here then post when them left. So me nah ease them a hurricane breeze them in up. Shut up eat them
so we not ease them a hurricane breeze them quick and fast in my day with them bumbuckler. Go on.
Mirror spread bread, tired for sit them dead. I come up here then post when them left. So me nah ease them a hurricane breeze.
Hold on there. That's them head come up here and post when them left. You know everybody artists and everybody. Even girls that try to do it nowadays talk about me not post no wish I'm there until me leave or me gone home. I had their blood clot because you know say I have apps everywhere. Hey. Go on!
Hurricane breeze, I mean, shut up, eat the delivery tree, freak on the ground. My glad them start the war in our done. Spot away dark, that's why me sound so. Man, even we still like kill people, you know. Them are easy, the bitch and they go beard the walk out. And claim say them monkey, them all them do a cuss. Pan and train for warm me gun stuff.
You know, like, it's a bad man. We like war, we love war.
Literally saying that you fucked the kid. When you say something like kid woman dip on your body top or something like that. Bro, when I was fucking with you, that was my feeling. Me not give a fuck about the six them nor this nor that, bro. That was my genuine feeling.
How that? And girl, how do I talk about? Ashi? Alright, sir. Now one have to say about the war now, people. You know, I love chat too. I'm gonna have to rush away now when we catch up to the war already. And then so we can reason the right way. But we're not going to wall on crime, the video, the song we know for a minute already. So I don't know the chapter already, but I'm going to go say about just post a video phone one time. So like up video, drop some comments. Remember if you want to go live tonight and talk about the war. So, we can call you on the live to whatever we can have a reason for the live. But then I said, like me in Jamaica risk game and them what they used to do. You didn't the war, you really are going and that they must support it in the right way. You didn't answer. So guess what? This soon up on the flip side. What is that I'm nose? I'm out. Wow.